Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can get LED keyboard on this Doogee smartphones. So here it is, how this beautiful LED keyboard looks on the Doogee smartphone. So if you want to get it, you have to go for the Play Store, but I'm going to delete this application and I'm going to show you step by step how you can get it. So here I'm going for the Play Store, and you have to get the application LED keyboard from the Doogee Studio, and there's the icon of the application. So if you got it, just install. Let's open this application. Click enable, select the switcher, click OK 2 times, then go back and click select one more time, select LED keyboard. And here you got all of the themes that you can set up, and you have to test all of them, but the most beautiful is this one, unlimited, and you have to click to save keyboard to apply this theme. And right now just enter for every place that you can use the keyboard. So in my case it is the messages, and as you can see here we got back our beautiful LED keyboard theme on the Doogee smartphone. So that's how it looks. I hope that I helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.